The parliamentary opposition has expressed alarm that Jamaica's fiscal commissioner may not have received any compensation for over a year since assuming office. Government senators shot back, saying the issue is being sorted out. The revelation came on Friday as the Senate passed changes to the Financial Administration and Audit Act. Andrea Chisholm explains.
The changes to the Financial Administration and Audit Act paves the way to establish a natural disaster reserve fund. To get money from the fund, the Fiscal Commissioner has to certify that the impact of the disaster is at least 1.5% of Jamaica's gross domestic product. Opposition Senator Peter Bunting was concerned that more responsibilities are being given to an individual who is yet to receive support staff and other resources to build out the office.
Information that has recently come to me suggests that despite being appointed on the 1st of May, up to the end of the year in 2023, the Fiscal Commissioner had not received any compensation, any salary or compensation. And I'm not even certain if up to today any compensation has been received.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced that Courtney Williams was appointed Jamaica's first Fiscal Commissioner on March 3, 2023. Williams has also served as Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of National Security.
And I understand was then offered a package that was less than the Permanent Secretary's package. There was some attempts at negotiation, and finally, I guess we had an unusual situation where a fiscal commissioner was being himself put in an impecunious position. Impecunious. One where he would have been becoming short of money.
Bunting went further.
I think he's still in some sort of limbo because the Speaker of the House, who chairs the commission within the act that deals with compensation, etc., has once again referred a matter to the Attorney General about when he should start getting pay.
He later indicated that House Speaker Juliet Holness is not interested in taking any advice that she does not agree with. Senate President Tom Tavares Finson, who also sits on the Fiscal Commission, dismissed the argument. He said the Attorney General was first written to on January 22, 2024, and a follow-up letter sent on April 30.
And a response with an opinion from the Attorney General was provided on the 6th of June. A meeting of the Commission of Parliament, the Fiscal Commission of Parliament, is scheduled for Monday, that's this Monday, the 17th of June at 4 p.m.
Tavares Finson said the opinion of the Attorney General was circulated to all members of the Commission. The leader of government business accused Bunting of trying to score political points and gave this update.
There's a confidence that within 6 months the office itself should be established because work has been being done with consultancies to establish the terms of reference, the job descriptions, and various other elements that will provide the supporting structure for the commission. So the commissioner himself does not comprise the office. He will have to be supported.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.